Hello viewers. Today, I'm excited to show you a simple yet essential skill: how to make RAR files using WinRAR without wasting time. So, let's get started. First thing first, open your File Explorer or this PC. Once you are in, now, go to the files that you want to convert to RAR. Once you are there, you'll need to select the folder containing the files you want to compress into RAR format. When you select it, now, simply right-click on the folder. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. And from the menu that appears, click on the Add to Archive. When you click on it, here, a handy toolbox will appear. Now, click on Browse option. When you click on it, a new format will appear. Here, you can choose the folder where you want to save the file. For example, I select Desktop. Once you select it, now, you can also give name to the file from there. Once you are satisfied, now, click on the Save. Now, let's optimize the compression settings. You can see a little box at the end of the toolbox. And you will also see a little arrow near the little box. Click on that arrow. When you click, a few options will appear. From there, select last option, that is Auto Detect. This ensures WinRAR chooses the best compression method for your files automatically. After that, look for the Archive Format box. Here, make sure that the RAR is selected. Now, with everything set, it's time to start the compression process. Click OK button and let WinRAR do its magic. Depending on the size of your files, this might take a few moments. You have to show some patience. When it's done, now, it's time to check. We will go to the place where we save it. When you find it, right-click on it, and then click on the Properties. Now, here you can see, it has been converted into RAR. And there you have it. Your files have been successfully compressed into a RAR archive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.